Okay, Molly's opening a gift.
A first aid kit.
Yeah, isn't this great?
Get yourself into that much trouble?
Yeah, I do. I get injured without knowing how I get injured. I love it. She really spits out the paper. Jesus. Okay, my cats never did this. They got Christmas presents every year. They never learned how to do this. Look at us. We're mesmerized.
That was a good one, Molly. What's in there?
Look at how stupid we are. Look at everyone. Look at everyone watching Molly.
What is it, Molly? What is it?
Yeah, when we have a kid, this is gonna be. It's gonna take 2 days to get through Christmas.
That's fine. Oh my God.
That's fine.
That's why kids get so spoiled.
Because it's so cold.
Yeah, there's. What's that? You go, girl. There's Waldo.
Oh my God.
Where's Waldo? In the present.
Is that Waldo? Did you get it, Molly?
Yay.
Everybody claps
good
for Molly. Shake off that paper.
No, I don't want that.
I don't know what I like better. Gary, you want to take the tag off? Oh, she did it by herself. She got the tag off.
Oh.
Molly, that was super impressive.
She took the tag off.
You can take it back.
Stacey's crying. Look, Stacey's crying. We're crying that the dog is so smart. Molly, that's not the gift, silly. Okay, Molly, I think we're done.